Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Streamlabs Video Alerts Marketplace credits, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your Streamlabs Video Alerts Marketplace credits, start by logging into your Streamlabs account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Marketplace section within the dashboard menu. Click on Marketplace to open the credits overview. Find the option for Withdraw or Withdrawal in the Marketplace section. Select the withdrawal option to proceed. You may be prompted to choose your preferred withdrawal method. Common methods include direct bank transfer or PayPal. Choose the method that best suits your needs. Input the required details for your chosen withdrawal method. This may include your bank account information or PayPal email address. Enter the amount of credits you wish to withdraw. Make sure to review the minimum withdrawal limits. Confirm that you are aware of any applicable fees. Double-check all entered information for accuracy. Once everything is confirmed, click on the Submit or Withdraw button. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your request has been received. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your withdrawal status. Withdrawals typically take a few business days to process. Check your account after this period to verify the funds have been transferred. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.